Hey guys, it's Brian with the Sauna Place. Today I'm going to show you our add-on infrared panels. These are a plug and play. They can be added to any sauna. They basically hang like picture frames, no electrician needed. They're simple plug and play. You can fit up to 6 300-watt panels into each power supply. They plug in with a simple plug. You can hang these where you want, hide your plug behind the panels, bring them all in here. A simple controller, a time, temperature, they'll run for 1 hour, and a temperature sensor. Very simple, all plug and play. These hang like picture frames. They can be added to any sauna, preferably indoor. Infrared's better indoor than outdoor, but you can get these up from 1 panel to 6 panels, depending on the size of your sauna. You may only need 3 if you want to put them on your backrest or maybe your sidewalls, or you may have a larger sauna where you need 5 or 6. We can do any of that. These are the infrared add-on panels for your sauna. If you like what you see here, have any questions or want to learn more about our Heritage add-on infrared panels, hit that like and subscribe button. Reach out to us at 931-516-6577 or visit us at saunaplace.com. We'd be happy to help.